This is the box from Tucson Swiss BMC. This is my number and provincial zip codes from SO, yes, from Siem Reap. Ready paid for taxi. Yes. Oh, shit. Oh, this is $50. Wow. Just keep it. We read truthfully your work. Best regard. Yes, this is the name. What the models is it? Oh, it vibrates, but don't show something on the LCD display. Yeah, now we need to open the cover. Yeah, now we need to remove the blues. One team trailer yung chapadam bahay. Just now we are trying to open the cover. Yes, this is the LCD connector. Yes. Now we try to disconnect this. Yeah, for the battery connector, we need to disconnect by our finger or by other plastic tool. No need using the metal, it may short circuit. This is the Reno2. It is not a Reno2S because the Reno2S it has a LCD connector at the edge, and this is the straight from the button. Yes, this is the new LCD. Now we need to test when we are working with the LCD. We need to have something to make it this, and then I connect the LCD. Yes, this is the LCD connector. This is the display connector. Yes. This, yes. and then we try to connect it. Now we connect the USB charger. Yet the battery was exhausting, so we need to wait. Yes. Yeah, now it's working. Yes. We need to test the LCD after it run. It's run smooth. We install it. Yeah, now we need to test, but we don't have the password. Yeah, we tell like this. After we make a 1 go to emergency and 112. After that we send. After send we can screw from the top. Yes. Yes, working well. We prepare shipping to the owner. Yes, thank you very much for watching.